Now in Uttar Pradesh, a big chunk of funds meant for labour welfare such as education, health, all-round development was spent instead on simply providing labourers with cycles. Is this because the symbol of the ruling Samajwadi Party in the state is a cycle? The Supreme Court is hearing a petition on the matter. Tanima Biswas reports.
This is how 42-year-old Ram Kumar makes his way to work. He works as a labourer in construction sites in Ghaziabad and got this cycle as part of the state government's Labour Welfare Fund benefit. This welfare fund is meant to provide education for his children, maternity benefits for his wife and aid for all-round development of his family. But so far, all that Ram Kumar has got is this cycle.
2 साल में हमें केवल साइकिल मिली हुई है। नंदग्राम जो है स्कूल है वहाँ पर, तो जो है वहाँ बोल रहे थे कि 10 साल का बच्चा होना चाहिए जो है। अच्छा। और 6वीं क्लास से यहाँ पढ़ाई स्टार्ट होगी। अच्छा। फिर मैं वहाँ एक दिन बच्चे लेके गया तो वहाँ देखा कि बच्चे तो ऐसे उल्टे सीधे घिनौने किस्म के रह रहे हैं, ना उनके पहनने के कपड़े भी सही दिख रहे हैं और ना उनका हाव भाव सही दिख रहा है। मालूम हो रहा है कि बच्चे ही खाना बनाते हैं।
Coincidentally, cycle is the election symbol of the ruling Samajwadi Party in the state. Out of 252 crores from the Labour Fund collected across the state, 62 crores was spent just on cycles.
वर्कर्स के पास उसका मोबिलिटी का जो साधन है वो साइकिल ही है, क्योंकि सबसे सस्ता है, ईंधन व्यय नहीं है, पोल्यूशन रहित है, आसानी से रखा जा सकता है।
Nearly 57 lakhs of the 3 crores spent out of these funds have been used up on these. Again, the lights are not on the list of benefits.
Eligibility for getting a solar lamp is a big thing, is to be understood in UP. Now you need to have your own house, you need to have a electricity meter, and you need to have paid for that electricity. So you need to produce an electricity bill. So how do they produce these evidences? So that's where their application gets rejected.
Labourers question whether the money is being spent for the right reasons.
इंटर जब कर लिया 72% नंबर था मेरी लड़की का, और फॉर्म लेके गया तो वो कहते हैं कि इसे जब एडमिशन होगा तब देंगे। अब हमारे पास पैसे हैं नहीं, जो ग्रेजुएशन में पढ़ाए हैं, तो हम कहाँ से उनको कॉलेज से लिखवा के दें जो हमारी लड़की पढ़ रही है।
Recently, while hearing a petition on this issue, the Supreme Court said that it would want the UP government to submit a list of beneficiaries which they would like to verify, and that state governments are using up the money for items other than what the final purpose was meant to be. Looking at only one test case in a district of Uttar Pradesh, it seems that the state government has a lot to answer for. With camera person Pawan Kumar reporting from Ghaziabad, Tanima Biswas for NDTV.